Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Fiat 500 rear wiper. First, gather your new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your Fiat 500 is parked securely with the ignition off for safety. It's also a good idea to place a soft towel or cloth on the rear window to prevent any accidental scratches during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy replacement, protecting your vehicle and making the job straightforward. Let's get started with the removal. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or clip. Carefully press this tab down or squeeze the clip, then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach with minimal effort. Be careful not to let the arm snap back against the glass once the blade is removed. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it won't come loose. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. You're almost done with this simple maintenance task. To complete the process, turn on your ignition and test the new wiper blade. Ensure it moves smoothly across the window and provides clear, streak-free visibility. This quick check confirms your installation was successful. Remember to regularly inspect your wiper blades for any signs of cracking or reduced effectiveness, replacing them as needed to maintain optimal driving safety. Also, for those who appreciate quality and durability, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.